3. Today I am going to explain chapter 1. So get ready to read chapter 1. So this is your chapter 1. What is the name of the chapter? The Wise Lesson. So now we will read this chapter. Let us start the chapter. Read the story of a rich man who taught a lesson of wisdom to his sons. What we will read in this chapter? Story of a rich man who taught his sons lesson of wisdom. He bought a brick of gold with his money and threw it into the sea in the presence of his sons. What he has done? He brought a brick of gold and then threw that brick of gold in sea. When his sons were present with him, his sons thought him mad. Then his sons thought that his father became mad. But once, when the family was in very miserable condition, they got the brick back a mysterious way and became happy. The sons realized that their father was a very wise man. What's happened? Once his family was in miserable condition, then they got back that brick in a very mysterious way. So, because they were in miserable condition, they became very happy. The sons realized that their father was very wise man. Let us start the chapter reading now. Once there lived a rich man in a village. He had a lot of property, several houses and hundreds of acres of fertile land. He amassed great wealth, yet he was very gentle. He treated others as he wanted himself to be treated by them. He never disgraced or rebuked anyone. He was honest, sincere, and respectful. He was full of sympathy for orphans, widows, and the poor people. He always helped them with money and food. He opened hospitals and shelters for the needy people. So now I will explain this. Once there lived a rich man. A man who was very rich in a village. He had a lot of property. So many houses, 100 acres of fertile lands. He amassed great wealth. He was having a lot of wealth, yet he was very gentle. He treated others as he wanted himself to be treated by them. He respected others as he wanted to be respected. He never disgraced or rebuked anyone. He was honest. He was very honest, sincere, and respectful. He was full of sympathy for orphans. He was having a great sympathy for orphans, widows, and poor people. He always helped them with money and food. To whom? To orphans, widows, and poor people. He always helped them with money and food. He opened hospitals. Who opened? The rich man opened hospitals and shelters for the needy people. Once a terrible famine broke out. There was scarcity of food grains. The rich man did not like to sell his grains at the outset of famine because he wanted to help the poor people when the grains would not be available for them. Once a terrible famine broke out. There was a scarcity of food grains. The rich man did not like to sell. He did not want to sell his grains because he wanted to help poor peoples. When grains would not be available to them, so he did not want to sell his grains. One day, all his 4 sons come to him. But what happens one day? His 4 sons come to him and requested him to allow them to sell the grains. Why they come? To tell their father that allow them to sell the grains. At first, the rich man refused. But first, the rich man refused to sell the grains, but their repeated request. But when their son repeated their request, he allowed them to do so. Then what he have done? He allowed their sons to sell the grains. He told them, but what he told them? However, to sell it at a cheaper rate. He told their sons to sell the grains at cheaper rate. They agreed. The sons were agreed, and it was sold off in a short time. They were agreed. They sell the grains at a cheaper rate. So all the grains were sold off in a very short time. So hope you can understand this passage. Now I will send you a snap of this chapter. Read it carefully and learn hard words also.